So yeah, I failed by documenting and filming on a regular basis. A lot of things were going on, and honestly, it was kind of really nice to just work and not really worrying about recording or editing or anything like that. But I feel like getting everyone up to speed and showing you exactly what's going on. So, got the back all set up. We have new panels here and here and here and here. Got some more insulation. And we also have some lighting, some rough lighting right now. Not entirely sure if these lights are going to go in these exact locations, but there's enough slack to kind of move them around. And we also have lights. So yeah, I've been a little busy. Got some progress done. And today I'm gonna probably wire in another circuit in this area back here, so we'll have more lights here. Let me show you how I do things. I have all these lights roughly 15 inches away from the walls because I'm definitely doing cabinets in this area. Also, it's so nice to actually have music. Been working in here in basically silence, so that's a change. Feels really, really nice. Not sure if you can hear it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually get flagged for copyright infringement or something like that. So hopefully I don't. So I currently have two circuits right now. Light switch for the loft, light switch for the kitchen area, and now we're just gonna do a light switch for the rear. And I have two boxes. So let's get to market. So I currently have this piece of plywood right here that was really, really sturdy, so it didn't make sense for me to pull it down, so I'm reusing that. And I cut channels so I can run all my wires. And I did notice that there are steel structures in the roof, so I have to work around them. How I get those cuts is from my rotozip right here. Just plunge that into the ceiling and follow the line. Broke my bit. Always have extras. Let's fix this. Channel's cut. Now we're gonna run wire. That'll be the end lamp right there. It's gonna come here, run this way, run through here, come down this way, group with all these guys, hit the switch. And currently using 14 gauge stranded wire right here. That's how easy it is. Lamp 1, lamp 2, and lamp 3. Basically just repeat this process the entire time, and then okay, so we have all the wires run right now. A lamp currently just zipped up with some wire nuts to test to make sure that there's no break in the wire before I start getting my permanent connections in there. So this is what I got. All I'm gonna do is throw 12 volts to this from the power distribution panel on the back side. Can you tell me when that light turns on in the back? Look at the back light, tell me when it comes on, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready, Dad. Wow, Dad. That's cool, Dad. Leave it on.
You like it?
Yeah, water on. Dad, it's getting rid of batteries. That works. Yeah.
We know that we have power at the light right now. I'm just gonna cut up the harness, get my permanent connections in, and we'll have a third circuit. Okay, got the switch all wired up. It's just a single switch. If you're not familiar with a 12-volt system, all you have to do is basically just take the solid red wire and cut it and put a switch in between, and that's how you turn your lights on and off. You don't have to worry about the negative, just put the negative straight to ground. I'm actually using these little parasitic butt connectors that branch right off the wires. And boom! We have power. That's going to conclude my electrical episode. I really didn't want to film a lot of this because electrical is really boring, and it leaves you vulnerable to get like sued. I see a lot of people doing like disclaimers and whatnot. Don't follow me, I'm a DIYer and all that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see ya. Thanks.